Today
This
we're
is going
making
to be
insanely
fun.
delicious
Ugh,
pasta carbonara.
doesn't look like carbonara.
Here's everything you'll
What?
need.
Mushroom
Start off by
cream.
slicing
You don't
the
need
mushrooms
mushrooms in
and then your
carbonara. No
bacon.
mushroom, please. Use
Get them onions
pancetta
diced
or
up too.
big
Fill up the
cake. You don't need
saucepan with
onion.
salted water and
Look
chuck
up
it on
or
the heat.
pasta. You
Get a
can
fry
put
pan.
pasta in there. There's not enough water. Put more water. Why are you cooking them? Look at the pasta. There is not enough room. Mushrooms. It's a no-no for carbonara. You don't need cream. The egg makes the cream in carbonara. You used eggs to make the cream. No, you don't need cream. You don't need egg anymore. You already used the cream. So you use the eggs to make the cream. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at it. It's a pasticcio. Parsley. No! You have just made a creamy mushroom pasta. That's not a carbonara. A creamy mushroom pasta with cheap ingredients.